was like crashing behind me.
Oh, Jesus!
There's that fucking shit.
The two people, they're covered.
I know. I know.
And they got the shit in the little dining room area.
Oh.
Ah, the
What?
fuck? Oh, old Asian man. What a surprise.
Oh my god.
Fucking hell.
I've never seen that there before. What the fuck?
Yeah.
And I was so scared that you died. And I was scared that we would die too. But we made it. And then I was
Oh my god.
We're okay, we're okay. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna go over it, but it's okay. We're okay, we're okay. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna go over it, but it's okay.
Oh my god, are you okay?
She's alright.
Oh my gosh.
Keep going, go faster, go faster. What the fuck are you doing? Where exactly? Go around it.
He's emailed me in with daily fact number 123. As sent me, he says, an early prototype motorcycle had a candle under the seat to ignite the fuel.
Wait, Christ, did he hit you?
Not so easy on the sun,
Hey?
really.
No.
Thank you for that, Jack.
Has it
And that kind
stopped?
of brings us
Bloody
to
hell.
talking about the motorcycle
Jesus,
that was
what?
happening this weekend. It's returning to the Stafford County.
Hey folks, it's Mike and we're just on the way to the cottage. There's a white pickup truck behind me and we're just going to turn left here and whoa! White pickup truck's not behind me anymore. It's in front of me. So I laid on my horn and watch Bro Mingo here. He doesn't particularly like having the horn laid on. Nice sunglasses. He's got the bald head and the goatee. Good stereotype going on here. So he asked me if I had a problem and I said, no, you cut me off. And he got back in his truck and drove off.
You don't know what the story is.
I know, like you said, you're worried about the coaching element of the. Oh, you okay?
I know. Oh my god, I just averted. Hold on.
Really don't, and you know, I mean, I'm hearing your side here, and hopefully that cop's gonna be able to get it. I know, like you said, you're worried about the coaching element of the. Oh, you okay?
I know. Oh my god, I just averted. Hold on.
Hey, yeah, let's go ahead and get off the phone and let you finish driving, okay?
Yeah, no, there's a huge accident behind me.
Holy shit.
Hope they get pulled over.
People like this never get pulled over. I don't understand why not. Oh my god.
Oh! He hit that car!
That guy's still going.
Holy fuck! Did we call 911?
Shit. Oh, fuck.
It's a hit and run!
That's definitely fucking hit and run.
Holy fuck.
What the fuck is he?
But then, like, a lot of our general rubbish is shivers.
Can you go away?
Mark that one?
Nah.